Hey guys, today let's learn how to find the hidden album on your iPhones. So if you guys want to go ahead and hide and locate where the hidden album is on your iPhone device, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys where to locate it. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, so what we need to do first is to go ahead and tap on the Photos application. I want you to scroll down, and as you see under the Utilities tab, the hidden album is right here, right on the top of the recently deleted album. So that is how you guys can basically locate where this is. But if you can see this on this section, you may have that hidden as well. So you gotta go ahead and tap on your settings. Scroll down until you see the Photos application, and that is gonna be somewhere over here. And I want you to go ahead and basically tap on Show Hidden Album and have this enabled. You may have this turned off, which is why you cannot see where your hidden album is. So in order for you to find it, just go ahead and have this enabled, and going over back onto your Photos app, and you should see it right there. Now, that is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys have learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.